ASUS is back with their newest gaming phone for a high-performance market, the ROG Phone 6 series. If you thought the features of the ROG Phone 5S series from last year had peaked, ASUS has managed to provide even better features with the new models. Let's have a look at the ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro now that we have a clear overview of them. Hello and welcome to Krrazzy Tech. Here we discuss the latest tech gadgets and inventions. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. The ROG Phone line from ASUS burst into the scene in late 2018. Since then, it has seen 1 or 2 years updates, and that have added power and more aggressive aesthetics while maintaining the same basic design elements. The newest internals, the best refresh rate screen, and a sizable hefty battery. In 2022, the ROG Phone formula is still effective thanks to upgrades in imaging and durability, as well as the newest gaming features. This year, there are only 2 models, the ROG Phone 6 and the ROG Phone 6 Pro. The layout of the rear panel, as well as the RAM and storage configurations, are the key differences between the 2 variants. All other specifications and features are the same. Design. The ROG Phone 6 regular model is offered in Phantom Black and Storm White, while the 6 Pro is only offered in Storm White. It is the first time white has been made accessible on regular, non-Pro ROG phones. Additionally, it is the first ROG phone generation to have an official IPX4 waterproof grade, indicating that it is resistant to water splashes. Even so, you shouldn't drop it in the pool. The back of the ROG Phone 6 has unquestionably the most distinctive design feature. An OLED screen is dotted among the number of etchings and aesthetic designs, as well as a self-assured angular camera bump. On the Pro model, it is horizontal. On the regular ROG Phone 6, it is pitched. The ROG Phone 6 Pro's ROG Vision OLED display on the back may be utilized to show off some of the preloaded animations for various occasions, such as showing the charging status when the phone is being charged. The phrase "Game Start" illuminates when you begin a game. Additionally, it provides you with information on the linked accessories, although there is still no support for notifications. There are 2 USB-C ports on the base and 1 on the left side of the ROG Phone 6's curving matte black metal frame, which are both scattered around. This allows you to comfortably play on your phone or plug it into an accessory while it is charging. The volume control, power button, and 2 touch-sensitive shoulders buttons for gaming are all located on the right side of the device. And in case you want to continue utilizing the best wired headphones, there is also a 3.5mm headphone jack. It is a straightforward but highly functional design, with the side-mounted port taking precedence if both are connected at the same time. On the white model, the dual SIM card tray next to it offers a pop of blue, but it does not permit micro SD expansion of capacity. The ROG Phone 6's front features a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED screen covered in Gorilla Glass Victus and surrounded by larger bezels on the top and bottom. These bezels allow for a selfie camera that doesn't interfere with the display in any way, and 2 speakers that match. As with many current Android flagships, the fingerprint scanner is located beneath the display and works pretty quickly to unlock the phone. Display. Once more working together, Samsung and ASUS produced a screen that looks fantastic on the ROG Phone 6. The ROG Phone 6's 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED display, which has a resolution of 2448 by 1080, is largely identical to that of its predecessor. The display's rich colors make it ideal for gaming and viewing movies, and the adjustable brightness control works well inside, going very dark and reaching up to 800 nits. If there is direct sunlight, you should absolutely activate high brightness mode by enabling auto brightness, otherwise you may find it difficult to see the screen well. Additionally, ASUS offers a wide range of viewing options in the display setting, such as natural, cinematic, and standard. You can also create a custom color profile to suit your eye color preferences. However, it has improved in one crucial area: refresh rate. The ROG Phone 6 increases its refresh rate from 144 Hz of the ROG Phone 5 to 165 Hz, putting it on par with the greatest gaming smartphones available. Camera, video, and audio. The ROG Phone 6 Pro has the following cameras: 50MP wide, 13MP ultra wide, 5MP macro, 12MP selfie. The phone's camera is adequate compared to most gaming phones, which often have average to poor cameras. The front 12-megapixel camera and dual speakers are located above and below the front screen, while a triple camera system is included on the rear, in addition to the previously stated designs. The 6 Pro can record videos at 24 frames per second in up to 8K resolution. However, the standard 1080p at 30 frames per second will work just fine for most people. While there is no optical image stabilization (OIS), the main and ultra-wide lenses, electronic image stabilization, helps video to remain stable most of the time. On contemporary smartphones, audio is frequently disregarded, but the ROG Phone 6 Pro gives it top emphasis. The stereo arrangement, which consists of a sizable front-facing speaker and a earpiece, is really excellent, and the music and game sound effects are full-bodied and rich, adding significantly to the whole experience. Additionally, you receive a solid bass hit, which is frequently absent on other mobile devices. Performance and specs. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Qualcomm latest top-of-the-line 5G chip is the ROG Phone 6 Pro's most significant update. Although the ROG Phone 6 boasts a more potent version of Qualcomm's chipset than the original 8 Gen 1, ASUS has done a lot to assist the device maintain its cool under pressure. The processor, which generates heat, has been moved by ASUS to the center of the phone. This disperses heat away from your hands, which is particularly useful when playing in landscape mode. Additionally, it pulls it away from the metal frame, which acts as a heat conductor, and places it precisely beneath the optional fan accessory. The phone is powered by Android 12, and the Google Play Store has a large selection of games and apps for the users. You shouldn't have any problem juggling many tasks because both devices have plenty of RAM to spare. The Pro Edition, on the other hand, has a whopping 18 GB of RAM, whilst the ROG Phone 6 basic model only gives you a whopping 16 GB to work with. Both models' storage is limited to 512 GB, and there is no SD card port for expansion. The 6 Pro is undoubtedly the most powerful phone available right now, and it plays any demanding game you can throw at it without issue, whether it's PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile. Battery and charging. Similar to the previous 4 ROG phone generations, the ROG Phone 6 Pro has two 3000 mAh batteries, giving it a total battery capacity of 6000 mAh. There was no real necessity to improve it because it is still one of the best you'll find in any phone. Using the supplied hypercharge power adapter, you can complete a 65-watt charge in 42 minutes. ASUS had to forego wireless charging, though, in order to cram in more wiring for controlling cooling on the ROG Phone 6. The manufacturer did provide 2 USB-C connections for charging, one on the left and one at the bottom. Both ports also support direct charging, which enables the phone to operate on wired power without putting undue strain on the battery or creating extra heat. Price and availability. The ASUS ROG range of smartphones is a rather unpopular one due to the challenges most users would encounter when attempting to buy one of the devices in the series. You might need to import one if there is no normal stores nearby where you can buy one, starting at £899 for 256 GB storage and 12 GB RAM, and going up to £999 for 512 GB storage and 16 GB RAM. The phone will be available in variants. The Pro model costs £1,199 and has nearly identical specifications to the standard model, with the addition of an LED light around the back. All in all, the ASUS ROG Phone 6 relies on a successful formula of strong specifications, recognizable style, and a carefully considered accessory line. With lots of clever gamer-centric customizations and software flourishes, its ecosystem is one that you can really get behind. The end result is a gaming phone that outperforms the competition, which is only fitting given how much more expensive it is. What do you think about the phone? Let us know in the comments. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up as well. Goodbye. Oh, and if you're looking for the best gaming smartphones, check out our video on top 5 best gaming smartphones.